Welcome to the sports integration with mathematics. This is a topic from class 7, chapter is data handling, to calculate the mean and range by a sports activity, that is long jump. So let's start it. Objective: to calculate the arithmetic mean and to find its position in the data, to calculate the range of the data and to know the spread of the data. Description: one by one, the teacher will call the name of the players. The student will be allowed to jump. Measurements will be recorded by the teacher. Then the data are organized and arithmetic mean and range are to be calculated. How to take long jump? When a player is called, he should get ready by standing behind the mark. Both legs should be touched the ground. A player should not cross the line or mark while he is ready to take the jump. As the teacher says ready, the player will take the jump. The measurements will be taken from the last mark of landing. Some important tips while conducting long jump among the students. Measure the distance of jump using measuring tapes. Measurement of distance will be done in centimeters. Teacher will note or record for the measurements. Count how many players have performed the task correctly. Equipments required for this activity: marking powder, whistle, measuring tape. Then collection of data. So here 10 students have participated in long jump. The names of the students are Asirvad Swai, Ashutosh Khuntia, Vibhudatta Samantarai, Vivek Samal, Chandan Das, Devasis Pradhan, Pratyush Das, Prayas Tripathi, Ranjan Sahu and Soumya Ranjan Naik. All are from class 7 and their performances or the measurements of the distance they have jumped are recorded here likewise. These are in centimeters: 205 centimeter, 198 centimeter, 194 centimeter, 220 centimeter, 180 centimeter, 210 centimeter, 212 centimeter, 198 centimeter, 210 centimeter and 205 centimeter. The measurements are recorded in a table. Then we will calculate the mean. So the mean is just the average of the numbers and it is easy to calculate. What is the formula? Arithmetic mean is equal to sum of all observations divided by number of observations. So here the sum of the all observations and number of observation, the calculation, we got the answer is 203.2 centimeter. So this is our mean of the data. Then range of the data. The range of the set of data is the difference between the highest and lowest value in the set. So here the range is the highest value minus lowest value is equal to 220 minus 180, that is equal to 40 centimeter. So this is our range. Thank you.